Planetary roller screws, the best performing drive system among known screws, are the best choice for the current screw linear motion in terms of precision, service life, load, speed and acceleration, etc. KGG planetary roller screws mainly consist of the main screw, the nut and several rollers. The thread of the main screw is a multi-head thread with triangular teeth. The tooth shape of the internal thread of the nut is the same as that of the main screw. The rollers are mounted on roller beds and cages that ensure the distance between the rollers, which are evenly distributed around the screw. It works on the principle of conversion between rotational and linear motion by rolling of the rollers. When the main screw rotates, the rollers roll between the main screw and the nut, thus driving the nut in linear motion or rotation. KGG planetary roller screws can achieve repeatability of up to plus or minus 0.006 mm, which is more precise than ball screws. The lead can be smaller than the ball screw design and can also be made into decimal values. The change in the lead does not affect the size of the screw and the nut. Besides, the contact area has been increased due to the use of a roller instead of a ball between the main screw and the nut, resulting in a significant increase in rigidity. As a result, the load rating of KGG planetary roller screws is much higher than that of comparable ball screws. KGG planetary roller screws typically have high transmission efficiencies of more than 90%. It also provides higher speed and higher acceleration. In general, the maximum acceleration speed can reach up to 3 g, which greatly improves efficiency and reduces friction, and also effectively reduces the noise level. KGG planetary roller screws are widely used in automation equipment, automotive manufacturing, aerospace, intelligent robotics, petrochemical, military, industrial and optical measurement and other fields. It is commonly used to provide high precision and high load linear and rotary motion in the above related fields. KGG, expert but with excellent cost performance. In smart transmission and precise control system.